Welcome to Doctors of the Past. Here is your daily dose of historical knowledge, guaranteed to be side effect free. In the year 34 BC, a series of public ceremonies took place in the Gymnasium of Alexandria. This event, known to history as the Donations of Alexandria, was a solemn staging in which the triumvir Mark Antony legally confirmed the restoration of the Ptolemaic kingdom's territorial glory, extending its dominion from Cyrene to the Aegean. This act marked the height of the alliance between Antony and Cleopatra VII, aiming to articulate a network of allied monarchies projecting power all the way to Armenia and Parthia. During the ceremony, Cleopatra was proclaimed Queen of Kings and her son Caesarion King of Kings. Furthermore, the children of Mark Antony and Cleopatra received titles and vast dominions. These concessions, which symbolically stand from the Hellespont to India, were grounded in the Hellenistic ideology of imperium sine fine and aspired to unify both the Ptolemaic and Seleucid legacies under their control. Symbolism was fundamental to the event's liturgy. Cleopatra appeared dressed as the new Isis, while the children wore outfits representing their new territories. Alexander Helios wore Iranian garb with a tiara and kitaras, and Ptolemy Philadelphus wore the vestments of the successors of Alexander the Great. Antony presided over the act from a golden throne, emphasizing that Roman authority remained in force as he acted as protector of the new monarchs. As expected, back in Rome, these donations did not sit well. Octavian capitalized on the resulting unrest as a powerful propaganda tool. He accused Mark Antony of treason for ceding Roman territories to a foreign sovereign and of planning to move the Republic's capital to Alexandria. Ultimately, he seized the moment to declare war on Cleopatra. Much of historiography considers this episode one of the couple's greatest political errors. Our next bill, The Names of Cleopatra. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.